If you are tired of carrying around heavy and bulky laptops every time you travel for your computing purposes, there is a breather for you. ASUS has launched the Transformer Book T100 and it is right here next to the full-size laptop that I use usually for my commuting and work purposes. And this one is considerably smaller, sleeker and lighter. Let me just put it on top of the laptop that I use and you can see the size difference between these two machines. It is considerable. The T100 Transformer Book is very light in weight, is around 1 kilogram with the keyboard dock. When I say keyboard dock, yes, I can make the screen come out just like this, and this is like 550 grams and I can use it for my computing purposes. The ASUS Transformer Book T100 is powered by an Intel Atom quad-core processor which is clocked at 1.3 GHz and gives good performance with the multi-touch Windows 8.1 which is loaded onto it. To give you a smooth performance, it is powered by 2 GB of RAM. So there is plenty of RAM. You can do multitasking, you can do normal tasks that you can do on a Windows PC or Windows 8 PC to be precise. So this is the power of the ASUS Transformer Book T100. You can just dock it back and it becomes a full-featured laptop with a keyboard. This is a nice and sturdy keypad here which gives you good quality and comfort of typing with a normal styled touchpad which is provided here along with the touchscreen experience that you get on the device. This is a full touch device with multi-touch, so you can zoom in, zoom out, you can open the applications. So instead of clicking on the touchpad, you can click directly on the links on the tablet and use it very intuitively. Touch Windows 8 devices have taken the computing to a next level and it is fairly light. The dock is another 500 grams, so is the tablet, so the total weight is somewhere around 1.1 kilograms, which makes this really easy to carry. You can carry it around and you can use it for your normal computing purposes. Giving you a hardware tour of the ASUS T100, there is a front-facing 1.2 megapixel camera followed by the ambient light sensor. On the left hand side you have certain buttons, so this is a power or wake up key, this is a volume rocker, and you have other hardware buttons. There is speaker mesh at the back, so there is a grill here and one on the other side. On the bottom you have docking connector with which you can connect it to the dock, and you also get a standard 3.5 mm audio output, micro HDMI and micro USB for connecting USB connectors. You also get a USB connectivity port on the base or the dock. So you have one full-size USB connector. This is USB 3.0 for fast data transfer. It gives you a full-featured Windows experience with a high-definition 10.1-inch display, and the display resolution is 1368 by 768. It gives you the productivity that you need on the go along with the portability for easy commuting. It gives you a good multimedia experience with the kind of form factor and the weight it has to offer, and you can use it as an entertainment device as well as a work device, so it serves the purpose very well. It is priced at around 35,000 rupees in India, which is slightly steep for a device like this, but it is still not a bad value proposition considering the form factor and portability it has on the offer. This is all we have on a quick hands-on review of the ASUS Transformer Book T100. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button below for more such videos. Stay subscribed by pressing the subscribe button. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.